Hello, this is Greg Allison with Green Greg's coming to you from the bee farm here.
Hey!
And this is the bee man, Mo, Buzz Mo.
Hey!
He's the bee man here. He keeps the bees. And it is 14 November 21. Time on deck is 4,800 hours, almost dark. Central Standard Time now. We're not in daylight time. And he's feeding the bees. He's got all this good stuff to feed the bees here. And I'm not here in a bee suit, but he is. He's playing it safe. They're not really flying right now. So tell us what you're doing there, Mo.
Okay, so in the winter we identified the beehives that are kind of weak. They did not make enough honey storage to get them successfully over winter. So we identified some. We will feed them, and also I'm providing ventilation for all the beehives.
So you don't have to feed all of them, just the ones that are weak?
Just the ones that are weak, which happens to be the ones on this side.
These three here?
4, I have to do another one.
Okay.
So the ones on that side.
But these are the older hives over here anyway.
These are big hives. They had the chance to collect a lot of nectar.
Oh, they're bigger hives, okay, that's true.
In the late fall.
I saw a bee flying in and out. Not much traffic today,
yeah,
though.
they have lots of honey. These, if you don't feed them, chances are they will die, and we don't want to do that. We need the bees, right?
Need the bees.
Are
Amen
good
to
for
that.
the environment. Without the bees, we won't have. They say 1/3 of the food in the dinner table.
That's right. Bees are crucial.
Yeah, absolutely.
Even Einstein figured that out.
So I'm trying to save these right here. That's what I'm doing right now.
Very good, very good. So what's your main criteria to know that they don't have enough? Are you just going by size or content within the hive?
I did inspect when it was warm about 4 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I did an inspection and I identified the ones. Well, it comes with experience. Right?
Oh yeah, I bet.
You looked at the hive and you see they don't have they don't have a big population. You know they won't have enough foragers to go ahead and collect the.
Okay, so you're raising it up and you're putting tape around it.
Yeah, I'm providing ventilation. I'll tell you that.
But how does it get ventilation when you put tape around it?
Oh, I'll cut it. I'll poke holes in it.
Oh, and the tape. Yep. Okay. Very good. Well, you have to explain some things to some of us.
Oh yeah. So.
Well, so what kind of wrapping? What kind of tape is that?
It serves as a feeder and a ventilator too.
Okay.
Kind of improvise it. It's not meant to be that way, but you know, beekeeper, you have to improvise lots of time.
Oh, I bet. Now those cats might get in trouble around here since they're black. They might look like a. Bees might think that's a skunk, huh?
Correct. Bees evolved over the million of years to recognize dark colors as danger.
So you don't want to be black.
Think of the predators for bees.
And that's why you're wearing white.
That's right. Honey badger is dark.
Yeah.
Brown bear, black bear.
Yeah.
Skunk, raccoon.
And
they all raid the hive on the old.
They all raid hives.
That's how they evolved. Dark colors, danger. So exactly.
Don't wear dark colors on a beehive, guys.
Absolutely. And you're right, Greg. That's why we wear white.
And that cat better watch it. That cat's better be happy they're not swarming today.
Yeah.
That cat follows me everywhere I go. These two, I got 2 of them out here. Alrighty, I'll get out of your hair. I just thought I'd say hi. Thought this make a good little video snippet about what you got to do. You got to feed them and
provide ventilation.
Feed and vent. So you're gonna poke holes in those, and you're gonna put some little syrup. Where did you put the syrup on the little porches?
I can show you. Just give me a quick second here.
Yeah, do what you got to do. This is your operation here.
Come on.
So he puts the bees here. He grows them, and I get a little honey back out of it, and I don't have to do anything. Just
did you like the honey you got?
Love it. It's great. Fantastic. Can't beat it.
Did you notice you have different varieties?
Yeah, and I like the combs too.
Okay, so you can come next to me, Greg. You can come next to me. They won't hurt you. All right. Don't worry. They won't get to you.
You got the screen there.
That's I have a screen, ventilation screen, and it also serves as a feeder. And just hang tight in here.
Got a flashlight on to make sure I get a picture of this still picture. That's better. Oh,
by suction.
it's got little holes in the bottom and it just dribbles through slowly.
Yep.
Oh, okay. I have seen people put things on the front of the hives on little porches before. That's even better.
So one thing I'd like to explain to people here. It's
useful
information. Yep. So we are feeding in the winter.
Yeah.
That will not get into the honey that we make in the spring. Right? Because we don't have any honey supers. Honey supers is the honey that we extract, that we put on to harvest eventually. We don't have any honey supers here. So the honey that we make in the spring, it will not be adulterated with syrup, the sugar solution.
That's just
That's
sugar
just for
water.
them to eat and live.
What's in the water? Just,
it's a mixture. It got some vitamins, it got minerals, and it got different kinds of sugars that the bees metabolize.
vitamins, minerals, and sugars. Oh, good. Okay.
Yep.
All right, Mo. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. My pleasure.
Appreciate the show, Mo.
Yes, sir.
You don't mind us being on YouTube, do you?
No, I'm okay.
All right, you might be a star.
Oh, I like that.
Make you a big star there, Mo.
Yep. Good to see you, Greg.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
We'll do.
I better hurry up before it gets dark here.
Yeah, we'll do more in the future. I'm gonna head down the road too. And get out of here.
Yep. Take care of yourself.
All right, you take care, Mo. See you later.
See ya.
Alrighty, guys, there you have it. How to feed bees in the wintertime. So please subscribe, bang the notification bell, and click all. If you're gardening these, check out my link below to True Leaf Market. All kind of seeds. You can get microgreen supplies, so you can grow food to feed yourself in the winter with microgreens. And I got videos on how to do that. Check my playlist on microgreens. Also, guys, with the inflation, you better think about going to get the food that lasts 25 years. You go to prepwithgreg.com, and that'll take you to My Patriot Supply. So $100 off for 3 months supply. We got a good special there for you. So I wish everybody good luck. Take care, and God bless. Bye.